Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's SHIB update for Saturday 13th of August. Now keep in mind guys that SHIB has made a bull cross, okay, and this bull cross really looks amazing. Bitcoin is making a bull cross right now, so if you actually match up these two back to back together, they look amazing. So I just want to talk something about SHIB very quickly. So here we are. When you see the 10, the 55, this blue, yellow and red lines crossing one another, that's one of the most bullish signs you're ever going to find in cryptocurrency. And you can be a swing trader and trade a bull cross until you don't end up making a bear cross, okay? So you can actually, if you're not a scalper, I'm not talking about scalper, person who trades very quickly and sell and run away. That's not the kind of a trader I'm talking about. The kind of trader I'm talking about is the one that can hold something for maybe a couple of weeks, maybe a month or two, like a midterm trader who's just on a hold. And this is a trading strategy. You trade a bull cross until the prices don't shoot, and then make a bear cross, and then you sell when there's a confirmation of a bear cross. Do you get the point? So whatever your profit is, whatever you get, maybe you get 10%, maybe you get 100%, maybe you get 1,000%, and after 1,000% you start to come down and make a bear cross. That's when you actually trade the trades. You don't even need patterns, you don't need anything, but it's always a good idea to trade with patterns, because on a daily I do see the left shoulder, the head here, and the right shoulder, and in my opinion SHIB has made this very bullish breakout right here, and we're looking for SHIB to basically jump from this price level from there to there, and we might be looking for a nice good price increase right now for 1807, and that's pretty much it at the moment. Now be careful if you do come down and start to lose the 55, okay? If you do come down like this and lose these levels, these lines, then that's going to be a very bad indication of what's going to happen next. And that's pretty much it for this update on SHIB as well, and I'm going to see you with the next one. I love this. But there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49, and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.